Hello, my lovely kids. Today we will study about the long sound A. A, A, A. The first they grab is A and E. Together they are making the sound of A. The ship has a sail. There is mail in the box. What will you paint? The rain comes down. He goes on the train. The snail. Gail, the snail, was very sad. She felt like she was too plain. I know how to fix this, she said in her brain. I will stain my shell with paint. Gail did not want to wait. She got a pail and started to paint. Oh no, it started to rain. The paint washed off. Gail, the snail, was playing again. Ah, and yeah, together they are making the sound. I see the hay. Will you obey him? She wants to play. The sun's rays are bright, bright. Her lunch is on a tray. A day to play. It was a nice day in May. Lily wanted to play outside. Oh no, she said. The sky looked gray. Lily wanted the clouds to go away. She had to stay inside and play. She got a tray and played with clay. Soon Lily could see the sun's rays. She ran outside and started to play. A and E. This is a magic E with A, okay, or with A. This is A. They are in race. What goes in the cage? We play a game. He wears a cape. I can open the gate. A. The maze. A worm named Wade went on a race. The race was in a maze. He started at the gate. Wade was scared. He would be late. He went as fast as he could. When he got to the end, an apple was his fate. I did not want an apple. I wanted a cake. Is there a way I can trade? Thank you. This is all about long sound A. Long sound A. Don't forget to read this sentence again. Bye bye.